guys, welcome back to Roasted Studios. Thank you so much for joining me today for this wonderful makeup haul, my first makeup haul, a beauty haul, if you will. Be sure to hit that like button and thank you so much for joining me. Let's take a look at these fabulous products. Now this first one is called Butter London, and I bought this at Costco, and I already have this color on today. Now let's talk about these colors. This product was on sale for about $5, which is just amazing. And the color that I'm wearing today is called Pash, a royal purple shimmer. They also have Iced Lolly, which is a metallic rose gold. There's a London Fog, which is a soft, stormy blue cream, and Brawly, a smoky navy blue cream. Now there's the Brawly, there's the London Fog, there's the Iced Lolly, and here's this Pash, this royal purple shimmer, which I just love. And I think they call this product butter because it literally goes on like butter. This is just one coat of paint. Can you guys believe that? Okay, here's another thing I wanted to show you guys. Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm. This is $1 at the dollar store. There's 2 products in here, so it's really just 50 cents each. It's a cherry and shea butter. I highly suggest this product because it's only $1. It does work, and it makes a nice little gift, maybe a stocking stuffer or a gift for friend and family. Here's another product I was thinking about opening right now. It's called Natural Watermelon Mint Repair Lip Balm for soft, smooth lips. 40% coconut oil in this. I was thinking about trying this right now because I'm just really kind of curious about it. Let's see what's going on. Let's first of all smell it. Oh, wow. It smells really good. It smells just like watermelon. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is one of the better lip balms I think I've ever had. There's no taste really, but it smells good and it makes your lips really, really, really extremely smooth. I really like that. This product I am the most excited about. It's a $50 makeup palette. Ladies, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Makeup is so expensive, but it's worth it. Good makeup is worth it. Now this is an eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. Naked Urban Decay Wild West, baby. And here's the little box, and when you open it up it says most wanted. Isn't that cute? If you guys can see that. Okay, so we got the box there. Let's go ahead and open up this product. I have yet to try it. I cannot wait. See, okay? All right. So here are the colors. Beautiful colors in here. We have Standoff, Spur, Nudie, Hold'em, Cowboy. Then we have Laredo, Bud, Rustler, Ghost Town, Whiskey, Tex, and Pony Up. I'm going to try out this product. I might take some pictures and show you guys how they come out. I'm really excited about some of these colors. The Cowboy Rick and the Hold'em is really standing out to me right now, as well as the Tex. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this product and what color you like the best. And also, out of these products, which product would you be the most excited about? Let me know in the comment section. Be sure to hit that like button and take care. Roasted Studios, out.